Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Last time Tom and I went to an open house, he loved it. Since then, he keeps asking me to see more houses. So today, we'll visit a few. And I'll also show him and you the most common house types in North America. Ready? Let's go! Welcome to English Daily Town. This is our little world. You can find all kinds of houses here. Big ones, small ones, old ones, new ones.
Today is open house day. Finally! Ashley, let's go! Let's go!
Slow down, Tom. Without a car, it's not easy to visit houses. They're far from each other.
Don't worry. Remember last time you taught me driving English? Yesterday I passed the test. I got my license.
Really? On your first try?
Of course. I'm ready to drive.
Fine, but be careful. I don't want you to get a ticket on your second day.
Relax. I'm a safe driver. Let's go. Look, Ashley. Open house, open house, open house. There are signs everywhere.
Yes, it's a busy day. A realtor, an agent who sells houses, puts up the signs to invite people in.
A realtor?
It means house agent, someone who helps buy or sell homes.
Oh, agent. Easy. Realtor. I'll try to remember.
Good. Oh, stop here. Look at that house with the big porch. It looks beautiful. Let's start with this one.
No plan, no schedule. Just follow what you like?
Exactly. We're not buying. We just look, relax, and enjoy.
Okay, first stop, this house.
Here we are. This is a detached house. Let's take a look.
Ashley, look at this house. It's beautiful. A big yard, a garage, even a porch.
Yes, this is called a detached house. Detached means the house stands alone with no shared wall.
Detached? Stands alone? Like by itself?
Exactly. By itself, with space all around. That's why people love it. It feels private.
Private. Yes, private space. I like that. Whoa, this living room is so big.
Yes, very spacious. Spacious means big and open, not small or crowded.
Spacious. So big and open. Spacious. I like that word.
And look at the high ceiling. See? The ceiling is tall, not low.
High ceiling. Tall ceiling. It really makes the room feel bigger.
Exactly. A high ceiling and spacious living room give you freedom to move, and families love this.
I could even play basketball here.
Now, here's the kitchen. Do you see that big table in the middle? That's a kitchen island.
Kitchen island? Like an island in the sea?
Same word, but here it means a big table in the middle of the kitchen.
So this is the kitchen island. A table in the middle. Okay, I understand.
Good. And this design is called open concept. It means the kitchen, dining room, and living room are all connected. No walls between them.
Open concept. So open space, no walls. Kitchen, dining, living, together.
Exactly. That's very popular in North America. Families can cook, talk, and watch TV all in one big space.
Cook, talk, TV, all together. Open concept. I like that.
Fun fact, most North American houses are made of wood, not brick.
Really? I thought brick was stronger.
Wood is faster and cheaper to build and safer in earthquakes.
So a wooden house is not weak? It's smart. Wow, Ashley, this bedroom is huge.
Yes, this is the master bedroom. It's the biggest bedroom in the house.
Master bedroom. So the main bedroom?
Yes, the main one. Usually, it even has its own bathroom.
A bathroom inside the bedroom? That's amazing.
Exactly. That's why people dream about a detached house. You get space, privacy, and comfort.
Space, privacy, comfort. Master bedroom. I love it.
And see these large windows? They bring in natural light.
Natural light, sunlight through the windows.
Yes, not lamps, not bulbs, just sunlight.
Sunlight from windows. Natural light. It makes everything feel warm and happy.
Exactly. That's one big reason people want detached houses. The light, the view, the open feeling.
I could just sit here all day and look outside. Ashley, this backyard is enormous.
Yes, the backyard is one of the best parts. Kids can play, pets can run, and families can have barbecues.
Backyard. So the yard behind the house. Big space for parties, for games.
Exactly. And it's all yours. That's why many people in North America choose detached houses. It's not impossible. It's a dream many families really achieve.
A dream that's real. A house with a yard, windows, a master bedroom, and a big kitchen island. Detached house. I love it.
Perfect. Now let's see something different. A semi-detached house.
Semi? Half a house? That sounds funny. Let's check it out.
Here we are. This is a semi-detached house, also called a duplex.
Duplex? Semi-detached? Sounds like half a house.
Not half. It's two houses in one building. They share a wall, sometimes side by side, sometimes front and back.
So this door is for one family, And that door is for another?
Exactly. Two doors, two homes, but each feels separate.
Okay. Duplex means two homes together. Got it. Hmm. Inside, it feels almost the same as the detached house.
Yes, you still have your own living room, kitchen, and bedrooms.
And these stairs, do they belong to us only?
It depends. In some duplexes, one family lives upstairs, the other downstairs.
Oh, like two floors, two families.
Exactly. And in side by side duplexes, each family has their own set of stairs.
So you still feel like it's your home, even with a neighbor so close.
Right, that's the charm. It feels almost like a detached house, but with one shared wall. Look, this duplex even has a backyard, smaller than a detached, but still private.
So I can still have a barbecue.
Yes, maybe a smaller barbecue, but still fun.
And I guess duplex houses cost less than detached ones.
Yes, they're more affordable. Affordable means easier to buy, not as expensive.
Affordable, so cheaper, easier for families.
Exactly. Many families start with a duplex. It's a smart first step before a detached house.
Okay, duplex means two homes, one wall, still private, backyard possible, and affordable. I like it. Hey, Ashley, why do so many houses here have basements?
Good question. Basements keep the house warm in winter and cool in summer.
Oh, so it's like natural air conditioning.
Exactly. And many families use it as a playroom or home office. Now, let's look at a townhouse.
Townhouse? So, a house in town?
Not really. A townhouse means many homes are built in a row. They usually share walls on both sides.
In a row? Like standing in one line?
Exactly. Many doors, all in one line. That's a row of townhouses.
Hmm. So, if they are in a row, are they always narrow?
Good question. Traditional townhouses are narrow but tall, 2 or 3 floors.
Narrow but tall, less wide, more high.
Right. But today, some side by side townhouses are wider. They can even have a double garage.
Oh, so not all townhouses are skinny. Some are narrow, some are wide.
Inside, the living room is usually smaller than a detached or duplex, but you still have enough rooms upstairs.
Bedrooms up, living room down. Makes sense.
Yes, and neighbors are close, so it feels more like a community.
Oh, so you can borrow sugar more easily.
Townhouses often have a small backyard or sometimes a shared yard.
So not a big barbecue like the detached house.
more like a mini barbecue. But the good thing is, they're usually more affordable.
Affordable, again. So townhouses are cheaper, but still a real home. Okay, townhouse equals many homes in a row, often narrow but tall, sometimes wider side by side, small yard and affordable.
Perfect. That's why many families choose a townhouse as their first home. And finally, let's look at a condo.
Condo? Isn't that just an apartment?
Almost. Apartment is the general word. A condo means you own it, not rent it.
Oh, so condo equals apartment you own. This place feels smaller than the townhouse.
Yes, but it's small but useful. Look at the open kitchen, the big window, and the nice view.
Wow, the city looks great from here.
Yes, many condos have a great view. And condos have shared things.
Like what?
A shared gym, a shared pool, maybe even a rooftop garden.
So my unit is small, but the building gives me more space.
Exactly. And you also meet neighbors in these shared places.
Sounds good for young people. City life, no long driving.
Yes, and very easy. If you travel, you just lock the door and go.
No need to cut grass or clean snow.
Right. The building takes care of that.
And it must be cheaper than a townhouse. I want to buy one.
Wait. Condos are cheaper to buy, yes. But remember the condo fee.
Condo fee?
Every month, you pay for the gym, pool, elevator, all those shared things.
Ah, so cheaper to buy, but still a monthly fee.
Exactly. Still, many young people choose a condo as their first home.
Okay, condo equals apartment you own, small but useful, nice view, gym and pool, easy life, no snow, but with a condo fee.
Perfect. That's why condos are very popular with young people.
Wow, Ashley, today we saw so many houses.
Yes, we started with the detached house, the big dream with a yard.
Then the duplex, 2 homes, 1 wall. Still feels like a house.
After that, the townhouse, many homes in a row, tall and narrow, but still nice.
And finally, the condo. Small but useful, with a great view and even a pool.
Exactly. 4 main types of homes.
I need to watch this again. Detached, duplex, townhouse, condo. My head is full now.
Good idea. Watching more than once will help you remember.
So, which house would you choose, Ashley?
Maybe I'll keep that secret.
Okay then, I'll keep dreaming.